Imagine if in minutes from now, you could turn your ideas into stunning 8K full-length cinematic movies that could be streamed on platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and more. Without needing actors, cameras, or video editing tools, and without ever revealing your face, writing a script, or shooting a single scene. And the best part? You could get paid for every view and subscription, just like our beta testers, who are already raking in $1,000 to $2,000 per day by creating and uploading movies to OTT platforms. Sounds like a massive game changer? Look, AI and the movie industry have taken the world by storm, dominating every corner of the entertainment space. And in this new digital era, people are binge-watching cinematic content like never before. They're endlessly scrolling through Netflix, Disney Plus, and other streaming services, hungry for fresh and captivating short films, movies, and series. And here's the real kicker. With platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus paying creators by the view and subscription, the demand for AI-driven cinematic content is skyrocketing, with no signs of slowing down. And the early adopters of AI MovieMaker are 2.0, cashing in big time. Our beta testers are already making $1,000 to $2,000 per day by creating and uploading movies to these platforms. In fact, streaming platforms now control 82% of the global entertainment revenue, and this number is only growing day by day. And here's why. The movie industry is exploding like never before. The global movie industry is currently valued at $220 billion and is projected to reach $400 billion by 2027. Over 82% of global internet traffic is attributed to video streaming and movie content. Streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus have reported a 60% increase in viewership in just the last 2 years alone. Movies with stunning visual effects and high-end production see a 200% higher audience retention rate. AI-created movies are breaking into the mainstream, with creators generating millions of dollars in box office sales from digital platforms alone. But here's why this is so groundbreaking. Creating professional-grade cinematic movies no longer requires expensive cameras, a crew of actors, or complicated editing software. You can now bring your ideas to life as visually stunning, ultra-realistic 8K movies in minutes, and instantly upload them to platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, and more, ready to get paid per view. Introducing AI MovieMaker 2.0, the world's first AI-powered movie creation app that transforms your ideas into ultra-realistic 8K full-length cinematic movies with done-for-you actors, scripts, dialogues, music, and more. In less than 2 minutes, no manual video shooting, no script writing, and no face reveal required. Finally, this groundbreaking AI lets you turn your ideas into captivating cinematic HD movies in any genre or niche in just minutes. Use AI-powered video generation to automatically craft movie scripts, visuals, voiceovers, and effects. No skills needed. Add human-like voiceovers with our premium AI-generated voices that sound 100% natural. Generate 3D animations for your movies, giving them a truly professional touch. Create and add AI-generated music and soundtracks that perfectly match the tone and mood of your scenes. Produce movies in over 150 languages, reaching global audiences and maximizing your revenue. Enhance your movies with dynamic visual effects, smooth transitions, and cinematic background music. Design stunning, eye-catching movie thumbnails that pull in viewers with just one glance. Use the built-in AI movie name generator to get compelling, unforgettable movie titles that leave a lasting impression. Optimize your movie's discoverability with AI-recommended hashtags and search-friendly, click-worthy titles. Organize and streamline your production process with the AI Movie Script Organizer for easy video creation. Edit and refine your videos with ease using our powerful AI editing suite for professional-grade edits. Add interactive video elements to engage your viewers and keep them watching until the very end. And here's the best part. Seamlessly upload your movies to platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, Disney Plus, Hulu, and much more with just a few clicks. Plus, get paid for every view, every subscription, completely on autopilot. Just like our beta testers, you could start earning $1,000 to $2,000 daily by creating and uploading movies, with the potential to make even more as you grow your content library. And now you can say goodbye to the hassle of learning complex editing skills, spending thousands on equipment, or hiring actors, and start turning your creativity into cinematic gold in minutes. Look, AI MovieMaker 2.0 is a revolutionary new way to break into the movie industry without spending a fortune on actors, equipment, or post-production. Well, this next-gen app allows even complete newbies to create and publish professional quality full-length movies on the world's most popular streaming platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Disney Plus, while earning between $1,000 to $2,000 per day on complete autopilot. All it takes is just 3 simple steps. Upload your idea, type in your movie idea, and let AI MovieMaker handle the rest. Customize, fine-tune your AI-generated movie using drag-and-drop tools or simple text commands. No coding or complex skills required. Publish and profit. Upload your 8K cinematic movie directly to platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and more, and get paid for every view and subscription. And it doesn't get any easier than this. Is there anything else out there that can turn your ideas into ultra-realistic movies with zero effort while giving you the chance to earn from the biggest streaming platforms? There isn't. So, what are you waiting for? Right now, you can get lifetime access to AI MovieMaker 2.0 for the price of a cheap dinner. But this offer won't be around for long. Once we hit capacity, we're shutting down. And remember, it's risk-free with our 30-day money-back guarantee. So don't wait another second. Click the button below to lock in your early bird price and start transforming your ideas into movies today.